Hi, I'm Christian. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to export a SolidWorks part as an STL file. So here I have our 1 pound combat drum. And what we're going to do with it is just go up to the save icon right here, click the arrow next to it, and click Save As. Then as the type, you're going to want to scroll till you can find .stl. Now, normally we just click Save. I'm going to show you what the options do. So here you can pick what unit you want to use. You can pick how you want to export it, resolution, and many other settings. So in this case, we're going to want to use inches. It will default to whatever your document setting is. So just click OK and save. It'll give you a triangle estimate as well as file size and where the file path is going to be. So just click yes, and it just saved. So now we're going to try to upload this to 3D Printer OS.